Hello there. So, let's say that you just watched my video and you made your video in CapCut and you want to export it. Now, I've already gotten rid of mine, but you're going to see that if you want to remove the watermark, you can't. I've already gotten rid of mine. It's right there. So, I'm going to show you how to get rid of yours too. So, it's a decently lengthy process and I'm about to show you how. So, this watermark, I didn't even know it was there. You can tell. So, step 1 is you're going to go to your Google, you're going to type Photopea. Not photopea.com, because if you type that, it doesn't work. You're going to click on this link, right? You're going to click on this link, you're going to press New Project, and you're going to create it, and boom. Yours might not be the same shape, but you've got it. So now, what you're going to do is you're going to open File Explorer, and you're going to go to Windows C, it's under Desktop, and in here, you're going to type CapCut. And now we wait, and this takes around, like, it looks like it's going fast, but it's going to slow down around here, so it's going to take, like, I want to say 10-20 minutes. See you then.
Wow13524 was likely fired a few weeks later as his admin badge got removed, but he is still active on Roblox and still uses an avatar that lacks pants. This whole situation really put into question if there were—
That's kind of just funny. Is it done yet? Okay, it's done yet. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to look for the one that says C/user/whatever your name is /appdata/local. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your desktop. You're going to go to your desktop and you're going to click New Shortcut. Right? So you're going to open your file, you're going to open your shortcut, and you're just going to make this shortcut, right? So you go C/. Alright, there's the path. Now you do next, and whatever you want to name it. Finish. And boom, there it is. So you can open this up, and boom, there you go. So, find CapCut, go to Apps, you click on that thing, you go to Resources, and then there it is. CC logo-w.png. Now you're gonna drag and drop this into whatever editing software you want to use. I'm going to be using Photopea, so I'm just gonna just get. Okay, it's not this one, it's this one. So I'm gonna take this here, and I got it here, and I can just delete this, and you can make whatever changes you want to it. I don't want to change it. Then you're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Export as PNG, and you're going to name it CC logo-w. Right? That's what you're going to name it. And then you're just going to click Save. Alright, so now you've got this. So you're going to go to your files, and now that you've put a shortcut, you can just get out of here. So you've got this thing, and what you're going to do is with your other file open, you're going to take this, you're going to drag it. Oh my god. You're going to take this, you're going to drag it, and you're just going to put it right on top. You're going to click Replace File and Destination. Now, I don't want to do that, but whatever file you want, you'll put it there. And then when you open CapCut, you hit Export. You hit Okay, you hit Export. And I'm not sure if you can see that right there, but that's my logo. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Now, something I will warn against is that if you put a blank PNG file with nothing on it, then you'll get a big black square here. So you want to put something there. It just, as long as it's not nothing, it'll work. And yep, that's it. Have a good day.